Grinding is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of abrasive materials to remove excess material from a workpiece. This process is used to create a smooth and even surface on a variety of materials, including metals, plastics, and ceramics. Grinding can be performed using a variety of techniques, including surface grinding, cylindrical grinding, and centerless grinding. Surface grinding is the most common type of grinding used in the manufacturing industry. It involves the use of a grinding wheel to remove material from the surface of a workpiece. Cylindrical grinding is used to create a cylindrical shape on a workpiece, while centerless grinding is used to create a smooth and even surface on a workpiece without the need for a center. Grinding is an important service in the manufacturing industry because it allows manufacturers to create precise and accurate parts that meet the specifications of their customers. It is also an efficient way to remove excess material from a workpiece, which can save time and money in the manufacturing process. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components. They offer a wide range of services, including grinding, to meet the needs of their customers. With over 50 years of experience in the industry, Berkness Company has the expertise and knowledge to provide high-quality grinding services that meet the needs of their customers. If you are interested in learning more about grinding and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, you can reach out to Berkness Company by visiting their Contact Us page on their website. Their team of experts can provide you with more information about their grinding services and how they can help you achieve your manufacturing goals. FAQs. 1. What is grinding in manufacturing? Grinding is a process of removing material from a workpiece using an abrasive wheel or belt. It is commonly used in manufacturing to achieve a high level of precision and surface finish on metal, plastic, and other materials. 2. What are the different types of grinding machines? There are several types of grinding machines used in manufacturing, including surface grinders, cylindrical grinders, centerless grinders, and tool and cutter grinders. Each type of machine is designed for a specific purpose and can be used to achieve different types of grinding operations. 3. What are the advantages of grinding in manufacturing? Grinding offers several advantages in manufacturing, including the ability to achieve high levels of precision and surface finish, the ability to remove material quickly and efficiently, and the ability to work with a wide range of materials. Additionally, grinding can be used to create complex shapes and contours that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with other manufacturing processes. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.